maybe instead of random dancing, we could try random kicking?
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Freddy, what do you think of that? Random dancing's better. Oh. Freddy, you are such a little weenie baby.
I want to kick them.
Well, you can do that for the next iCarly, because we're doing random kicking. Anyways, I need a new paraphone. Mine broke.
Oh, you're broke?
Yeah, what about yours?
Yeah, mine's broken.
Let's go to the Pear store. I almost climbed on my counter.
This yellow thing is still here. When are you going to get rid of it?
I don't know. I like it. I like that. I like it.
Anyways, let's go.
I'm so excited to get a new paraphone, Sam.
So mine.
Let's go.
Well, here we are at Pear store. Time to get a new phone.
A Pear TV?
I found the Pear phones.
Yeah, which one should we get? There's so many. There's only not really that many. There's also PCs.
Yeah. Oh, I want the Pear TV.
And Pear books.
Ooh, I want the Pear TV though.
Yeah, that's cool. There's
Yeah.
never ever been a
Maybe
Pear
I can
TV.
get a job here. Maybe I can get a job here.
Well, what would you use the money for? Meat? So you're saying that you're gonna get a job here just because of meat?
Yes, and maybe the TV.
Okay. Go ask if you can get hired.
Okay. Can I work
Hello.
here? Can I
Hello,
work here?
Hello, lady. What do you need today?
Can I work here?
Sure. Wait, aren't you guys iCarly?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're iCarly. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm with iCarly. Well, I don't want to get a job here, so I'm gonna go home. Sam, good luck with your new job, but I have to pay with my paraphone first. Okay, here's your new paraphone. See you later. Bye, Sam. See you later.
Bye, Carly. Hey, Fred Cookie.
Hey, Sam. Jerk, what are you doing here? Sam, what are you doing here?
I work here now.
Okay.
Security, get him out of here.
No, wait, I just came to get a new Pear book.
Fred Cookie's gone.
Okay. Okay, Sam, how much Pear books and Pear phones and Pear PCs have you sold today? Also, where'd Carly go?
Carly? She left.
Ah.
I was supposed to say, I sold 11 Pear books.
How much Pear phones?
12.
Good job, you're the best employee I've ever had.
Thank you.
Now, is Carly gonna come back?
I don't know.
I mean, she only came here to get a new Pear phone.
Yeah, she did.
Maybe she can offer on getting hired here, so maybe you two can work together.
Maybe.
But what about iCarly if she gets hired?
I don't know. Hey, Carly.
Hey, how's your new job?
It's great.
So, are you gonna be here in time to be back to home in time to start the show?
I don't know.
Well, when do you get off work?
Usually at 8.
But the show starts at 7.
Oh. I don't know then, because I get off at 8. Maybe working here wasn't such a good idea after all.
Come on, Sam, you're great at it.
I know that, but then we can't film iCarly.
Sam, I'll still be on the show.
Yeah, but by yourself.
The show won't, but the show won't be twice as good without you.
I know. So maybe I should quit?
You do what you want, Sam. Just, hopefully if you do, maybe you'll be here by time.
Okay.
I'm gonna go home. I'll see you later.
Okay. I quit.
But Sam, you've only been here for like a day.
I know that, but I quit.
Why?
Because I can't film iCarly, because I get off at work at 8, and iCarly starts at 7.
Fine, jerk. Go.
You're the jerk. Don't call me a jerk. Goodbye.
Bye, Puckett. Can't believe I just lost my best employee.
Hello.
Oh, hey, Sam. Did you quit?
Yeah, I quit.
Anyways, we gotta start the show.
Okay.
In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is
iCarly.
And we're gonna start the show with random kicking.
Yeah. Brody, come here.
Ow! Freddy, pick your camera up. Ow! Well, I've got the camera now.
Yep.
So, I'm going to set it down. Okay, I'm up. Okay, here's your camera, Freddy. Okay, so what we're going to do before is we're going to do another pathetic play. Since these past few weeks, except last week, we've been doing Baby Spencer. The fans have been getting sick of that one.
Okay.
Anyways, it's gonna be the girl who loves tea, and the wolf who tries to take the tea from her. Okay, I'll be the girl and you be the wolf who takes the tea from her. Tries to, at least.
How is this gonna go?
Okay, hold on. Put a pre-recorded video and I'll tell Sam. Okay, Sam, so you say, "Hey, little girl," and I'm like, "Ha! Who are you?"
Okay.
And then you're like, "I want that tea." And I say, "Never!" And you're like, "Give it to me or I bite you out hell.
Okay.
Or I'll bite your head off."
Okay.
And then I kick you. I'm not actually gonna kick you, Sam. It's just pretend. And you'll just fall over.
Okay.
Okay, Freddy, turn off the pre-recorded video. Turning it off. Okay. Start this.
Okay, here we go.
Go.
Hey, little.
Who are you?
Give me your teeth.
Never.
Give me your teeth or I will bite your head off.
And scene.
Ta-da.
Anyways, what are we gonna do next? Maybe blend something? What are we gonna do?
Maybe we can do random kicking again.
Okay. Or random dancing as well. Random kicking and dancing.
Come here.
Sam, you're not kicking him this time.
Why?
Because you already did it once.
Please. Fine. I won't kick him. I'll just do a thing.
dance. And kick. Salute! I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is iCarly. I said Carly. Bye. And we're clear.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, this one was so fun.
It was so much fun. I clapped.
Hey, you know my dad's kind of in the Air Force right now?
Yes?
Yep. He's in Italy right now.
Does he do this?
I don't know. He's in Italy.
Your dad's in Italy?
Yeah, across the country.
All the way in Italy? Well, I hope your dad doesn't take you to Italy.
I don't know, actually. I might go if he does.
Well, then I'm gonna be all alone.
But you have Freddy.
Yeah, but I don't like Freddy. I have a crush on him. That's why I'm so rude to me.
Okay. What are you ladies talking about?
None of your business.
Yeah, none of your business. Let's go back downstairs.
Okay.
Hi, Carly got... Sam, get off the ceiling.
Okay.
How did you land that?
I don't know.
But last night Carly got 10 million views.
Yeah.
That might be our most popular one yet.
I landed on the counter.
But that one might be our most popular one yet.
Yes. I'm on your head now.
Okay.
I'm going back on the ceiling.
No, Sam.
You're like Marion.
Oh my goodness, Sam. What are we gonna do with you?
I dance is what I'm gonna do.
Okay.